The ocean moves me as I hear her song rush in a dance with the wind.
A traveling poet bringing an old-school twist to his art.
10 News reporter Bree Steffen and photojournalist Tim Hahn spent the evening with him while he moved San Diegans with his words.
You guys like some poetry?
The question Jeremy loves asking.
I write a poem on the spot for you.
Almost as much as he loves giving the answer.
You tell me what you would like it to be about, whether it's a subject, a generalized theme, specific situation, whatever.
A traveling poet.
We can only wonder where we will go and hope for bravery to push past what we don't already know.
Creating comfort in his keystrokes.
My mom recently passed away.
Oh, wow. Take me to a place where the sun always shines, so I may venture outside to find what makes my soul thrive.
Oh my word. You like make me cry. That's the best.
It's a weird job where it's like if you make someone cry, it's like,
Yeah.
you know that something good happened, I guess.
Jeremy's nickname, just as famous
Typewriter Troubadour.
as the way he makes people feel.
We will never know when it will be our time to peace out. So let us smile to awaken the inner peace that is our nature.
Oh, that's so awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, totally. I often get asked if I'm a literary major or an English major or studied poetry and all that, and the answer is no. I am just a street poet, but yeah.
So Tim and I were actually out in Ocean Beach shooting another story when we met Jeremy, and we knew that we could not leave until we talked to him. And before the end of our shoot, I actually had him write me a poem to give to my fiance Crosby. We went and bought a frame for it, and it's honestly one of the most creative and best gifts I've ever got for him. Kim and Steve, this guy is simply amazing.
Yeah, touching so many people. If Jeremy is a traveling poet, where is he now?
So he left here to go to Tucson, but he's from Portland, and he's going back to Portland to write more poetry in the next few days. And the more that I think about this, I probably should have saved this for a Valentine's Day gift, because how do you beat this, Kim and Steve, right? Some inspiration for you guys.
Chalk one up as early Valentine's. Thank you, Bree.
Yeah, very nice.
Happening